Hi guys! So today I'm really excited because Evelyn and I went to story time this morning, and then when I got back I found that I had a special package in the mail. If you don't know, this is my KnitCrate subscription. I absolutely love this subscription, and I do have a 20% off coupon code if you want to check that out. I believe that it's Pearls20, but I'll leave it in the description just in case you want to check that out. But anyway, yeah, so we went to story time, came back, found that I had my package, and Evelyn actually passed out. So she has been growing like crazy. She just celebrated her first birthday on the 23rd of January and started walking. So we officially have a toddler, which is so weird. But yeah, so she is just zonked out. She actually slept on my chest for a while, which was so nice. She barely ever does that anymore. And then she woke up a little bit, so I brought her up to her crib and she slept again. So that's why I have some time to film. And normally I would try to wear the project from last month, but because it was kind of a spur of the moment thing, the shawl that I made really does not match this at all. So sorry about that. But yeah, before I get into my February KnitCrate, I wanted to show you what I made from January. So this is the Sunset Shawl by Melinda Meeser, and it is a bit different than I'm sure a lot of the ones that you guys will have seen look, because I actually got two of the same skein and I was supposed to get two different colors. So just for reference, this is what it's supposed to look like, the coloring, but because I got two of the same skein and didn't feel like contacting KnitCrate because I really liked the color, then I just kind of switched it up a little bit, and it's a little bit more of a blue-green, and then it's got just some of the pink and purple there, whereas the other one is mostly purple. But I don't know, I've been kind of gravitating towards the blues and greens recently, so I thought, meh, I like this. It's so pretty. I love her patterns. I mentioned in my unboxing that I had done the, oh my goodness, I'm not going to remember it, Bluebell shawl, and yeah, that one was just gorgeous. Cricket's playing behind me. And yeah, so I was really excited to do another one from her. There's some garter stitch here, and then it goes into this pretty lace cabling, some more garter stitch, and then a little bit more cabling with this really cool edging. And I have worn it a few times, so the points aren't quite as pointy as they were when I blocked it, but yeah, still gorgeous, gorgeous shawl. Very excited about it. And Cricket is just going nuts. Anyway, let's get into what is in my current KnitCrate. So I'm gonna just kind of grab the card here. So the theme for this month is petrichor. So petrichor is the smell after the rain, and this shipment calls to mind the soothing sounds of rainfall, the glistening shine of wet pavement, and enhanced green of trees. The world comes alive in new ways after a storm, the lights shining and reflecting against newly slick surfaces. Isn't this pretty? I love the card of it. And this is the KnitCrate membership. So in the KnitCrate membership, you get 2 skeins of yarn and then 2 patterns. One is a knit pattern and the other is a crochet pattern. So if you kind of go back and forth, it's a really good box for that. And yeah, so let's check out. Should we go for the pattern or should we go for the yarn? Let's go for the yarn because that's always the exciting part. So let's see what we have. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a really kind of deep blue, definitely a primary color sort of one. It does have a bit of variegation in here. I'm sure you can kind of see that. Very, very, very soft. So let's see. Oh, this is from Knitology. I'm sorry, I have to get my cat. He is just going nuts. Okay, I'm back. So this is a Knitology branded skein, and this is in the colorway Raindrops. It's a silken worsted, so it's 40% merino, 30% silk, 30% alpaca, and it is a worsted weight. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could feel this. It is so, so soft. I mean, silk just in general, it's kind of got that cool to the touch feeling, which really goes along with their theme really well. And I do have 2 different skeins here, or I guess these are hanks. I think. And usually I would hand wind my skeins, but my husband actually got me a Swift and yarn ball winder for Valentine's Day, so I can do this much faster now. Anyway, moving on to the pattern. I don't have a ton of time left on my memory card here, and I probably don't have a ton of time with the little one. So let's see. For the knit design, this one is by Noelle Davis, and this is the raindrop cowl. Let's see if you can kind of see it there. And then for the crochet pattern, ooh, I might do this one. This is by Vincent W. Green, and this is the Mariana trench scarf. And that one looks like that. So yeah, I am mostly a knitter, but every once in a while I do like to pick up a crochet hook and do a little bit of that. So I'm thinking I might do the crochet pattern. I like the bobbles on there. If I change my mind, you will for sure know in next month's unboxing, so definitely make sure to check back on that. But as for right now, I'm going to get going. I do have a couple of large projects that I'm working on, and then I'll probably get to this one. So I'm really excited about it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!